Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have a set of 3, I call them workout, but they're bike shorts that I have found to be very comfortable, and there's a couple of things about them I wanted to point out to you.
I really love the seams on these shorts. They're really well made. The pockets are significant. You get one on either side, and it fits my gigantic cell phone very comfortably. And they're high-waisted. I got an extra large, and I feel that they are the right size for me. They fit without riding up or moving, and but they're not like uncomfortably constricting. And I just love those pockets, and the colors are really cool. The shorts are really comfortable.
So if you are looking for some shorts that have really deep pockets that are going to wash well and dry well, I put these in the dryer and they've really stood up to the test of time. Like, they've really lasted for me. I'm very happy with them. I like the colors. They're very comfortable. I'm not having any ride up. For me, when I am exercising and when I wear shorts, one of the things I hate is when they like sneak up on you, especially in the middle. But these are also not too tight. It's the right amount of tightness, but at the same time, they're not rolling up on me, so it's kind of a perfect balance. I'm really happy with these shorts, and that's my point of view.